right here is like pretty bad too.
There we go.
Get up, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's smoke coming out of your.
Smoke in the engine. Bum, 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 bum.
Like 800 ISO is the max I'll go
There's
to.
a log.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What's up, tree people? I am your host and editor, Ethan, and as you can see, we decided to burn some boxes along with the brush today. Look over there to the right, we see Destria. That is Ben's horse, and she's named after Prince Caspian's horse in the Chronicles of Narnia, Destria. As you can see, it was awfully wet today, and that's the perfect kind of environment for burning boxes and brush. Also, the reason why I decided to call you all tree people is because that is in fact our very job description. So, if you're watching this, you must be interested in trees, therefore you are our tree people. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, Ben's going to be burning this pile with some diesel. Let's go ahead and listen here what he has to say.
This is a redneck way to start a fire. Works 50% of the time, every time.
We are out in the country.
It's also just really easy to start a fire because diesel's not explosive.
Very nice.
My wife does hate the smell of it. I'll come
love the
inside
smell of
and
diesel.
I'll just be covered in it and she'll be like, you smell like diesel. Yeah?
I don't think women love the smell of diesel on men.
You think so? Maybe we should make a perfume.
Ooh, yeah.
A cologne, sorry. That smells like it, but it's like, you know?
Yeah, we can have another one that says man musk on it, and what we can do is just bottle our sweat.
Yeah. See if we can make a fire.
I'll bet you we can make a fire.
That's right, folks. Women love the smell of diesel and man musk, so if you or somebody you know can make us some diesel man musk perfume, please comment in the section down below.
Get you some paper, like so. You know, if you have a lighter that works, that's helpful too. Really, it's getting the flame going, and that kind of helps ignite stuff.
As you can see, the fire is really raging at this point, and I'm standing on top of the pile. See how diesel doesn't explode right away, and Ben can just feed the fire.
And then once it gets lit and it gets going, a hot fire is just going to consume everything. So it'll dry it up because it's wet. I've had wet piles, I'll push them onto the fire that's already going.
It'll burn.
And diesel makes a hot fire.
Get out this pile.
Where's that sauce? Y'all are good on gas? I think all the saws and everything is in the back.
Yeah, the pole saw.
gonna suck because he's on here? Let me text you off James' address. Grab what you need off the gravel truck because I'm gonna take it to the dump and go dump it.
And then you're gonna come to us? So see you in about 3 hours?
No, it doesn't take that long to dump.
Well,
Let's go.
Ooh, sorry for the cringe, folks. It did in fact take Ben about 2.5 to 3 hours to get to us that day.
Look at where the water gathers up in here and causes that to rot out. Look at all that. See that pool of water?
Yeah, it's gonna be going soon. I mean, this is an old Bradford Pear Tree.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're only supposed to live up to like 30 years.
Bradford pear trees are what's known to most tree people as trash trees.
Here we go. Jump in there and piece everything out. You know what? I'm thinking I'm gonna grab my harness just for these guys.
And here we go with the montage vibe, folks. So, scratching the montage because I'm actually having to film this about 4 days later than when I first started. There was a massive tornado thunderstorm in Houston, and my computer shut off in the middle of filming, but fortunately, DaVinci saved all my work, so hallelujah. Alas, I didn't get this really cool shot of the branch falling down right in front of the camera. I'm finding it's a little difficult to be able to balance work and filming correctly, but I'm figuring it out. If you'll have any shots that you'll want to see that I can have ready beforehand, please let me know down in the comments.
So what we got here is a variety species of Bradford Pear Tree, and the wild Daniel here, he's got his saw out, he's cutting it down. He's doing a phenomenal job.
That captivating faux Australian man right there was our beloved benefactor, Ben. His accents are really not that bad. Daniel and Ben both taking a swing at that tree with the 461. Really rips and tears right through that stuff, especially with a brand new chain.
Recording me? Say that? Fantastic. That'll be a good edit out. I mean, I don't do that completely. Never.
I say, that is one incredibly handsome looking man there. Who is that? Well, I do declare. Well, that's me. That was pretty much the end of the day. Wasn't too bad. About 5 hours, a little bit of dragging, a little bit of lifting. We have a lot more stuff that we've already filmed that we're going to be putting out there. Hopefully I can stay consistent on this. Let me know if there's anything y'all want to see specifically or things you want to hear. Tell me if you like this. Drop a comment, subscribe. Please, any one of those things. All of it helps. We love to get your support. You are, in fact, our tree people. So please share a little bit of love. All right, thanks, guys. You'll have a great rest of your day.